There's a bear, a black bear. I don't know if you guys see it on the camera. We're on top of the world. Yeah, we're getting ready to go. It is 5:30, so I just want to make sure we get up and set up. At the red check-in place. We just got here. It is dark, so we're gonna have to set everything up, put our headlamps on and everything. But yeah, so we're just checking in. We're gonna head to the campsite, set up everything even though it's dark. And yeah. This is a tarp that we can put the tents on. Okay. We have our tent here. All right, we got the tent up in the dark. Finally got it. The only thing is, I have the wrong batteries for the air mattress, but there's a Walmart 20 minutes away, so you may have to go and get a pump. We do have an outlet, so we'll see. Okay. Are these C batteries? C4. I need C6. Or C batteries. These come with 8. Alright, these will have to do. It was just going. Okay, let's try it. Yay! The mattress fits. We got a little bit of space up there, and it fits perfectly right up to the sides. Yay! Alright, now we have to get our sleeping bags. Alright. Sleeping bag. So we got fire. Whoa, that's their sleeping tent. Our little mini tent.
I wrote it on the starter kit.
Alright, so we are starving. So we're about to make some food. So we gotta flatten so we can use this grate here to put on the pot and pan.
Just get those embers underneath.
If anything, this is good right here.
Yeah.
We can save this one. This one we can keep here, like just cooking up. This one push down a little bit, and that one in the corner. Like that.
Handle
Bang.
under here.
You got a
Yeah, good.
canopy over the table just in case it rains. Oh yeah, so fancy. We're glamping. Period.
How's that? Get out.
You want ice to see it? Here's some.
All right, we have the rice boil in a bag rice. So I saw Outdoor Man or Outdoor Boys YouTube channel use these. They're super simple. You just boil water and you put the bag in it. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, quick and easy to go with our salmon. Yeah. All right, so the fire's flattened. Whew, the smoke. All right, so I think I'm just, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be hot to try to get the pan off. Okay. The only dilemma is I'm gonna burn my hand trying to take the pan off of this if I put it here. Okay.
That's good.
All right.
That's good.
Looks good. Woohoo.
You want it like that?
Yeah, that's good. Okay. So oil. Oh. This is gonna be fried salmon.
Pour some oil out. Some oil in that boy?
Put too much oil. Yeah. My salmon's gonna cook so fast. Look at it. Okay, this is extra crispy on the bottom.
I didn't know you were left.
I just flipped it. I gotta give it like 2 minutes. And I'll take it off. Alright, so it looks like the water's boiling now.
You want bubbles on it?
Right?
It's kind of like this one, so it looks like it. Cream. Put it over your arm.
I put it on my arms. I don't really
Open your hand.
I don't know.
Yummy.
Turn over there, because that's where we like eat and sit. You turn over there, because that's where we eat and sit.
That would be small, you like it?
Mm-hmm. S'more time. Good morning, guys. It rained last night, but we were pretty dry at our tent with the rain fly over it. And yeah, got up to go to the baño in the wilderness, even though there's a bathroom here, but sometimes I can't wait. But there was like a thorn bush right there, so like I have a little cut there, if you see, from the thorns. But I survived, it's okay. I mean, are you really camping if you don't have any cuts or thorn, you know, thorn cuts? But anyways, I'm about to brush my teeth. Actually, I should get my toothbrush. We found a water well because it says it does have electric and water, so I'm going to use that water well to brush my teeth. It has been raining on and off, so I should get my umbrella and maybe my rain jacket and maybe some boots instead of these shoes. But anyways, let's brush our teeth and then maybe make some food. Okay, here's our little water well. Oh.
Watch this real quick.
Our little travel tippers. Alright, so we're trying to get the fire going before it starts raining again so we can make some breakfast. And we're gonna do eggs and the potatoes I prepared.
You want to see that locust video?
I forgot. Round two. Yay.
Global fire.
Put that little bit of paper on that just to get it going more.
Global fire.
Alright, let's see.
There you go, blowing it.
Oh, that's going in for the paper towel.
Wet that part? Over here I did.
What about
Okay.
my paper towel?
No.
Okay, I think we got it. We
Paper
did it.
towel.
But we're gonna get some reinforcements because it's about to rain.
We gotta eat.
We gotta eat.
I'm hungry.
We hungry.
Lucky we got kids to feed.
Look right now.
Okay, we're gonna try to use this tarp
Okay, be
to
careful.
put over the fire, just in case it rains. Let's see if we'll put it around this tree. All right, the third and actually the fourth and final piece. Let's see, we could connect it to this tree, but there's these evil thorn bushes that got me also in the way.
Like a heavy log or something or a rock.
Okay, we're gonna try to throw this rock and see if it stretches the cord enough to lift that last end.
Fire.
We're gonna try to catch it on a limb, maybe.
That'll do.
That works. Woohoo! We got it.
Now we can adjust this bad boy.
Alright, the fire's pretty much covered, I think. Yeah. We're walking amongst the park. And look, they have, what do you call that? Cornhole? They have a cornhole. I'm on my phone recording. That's cool.
Go somewhere else. Go to the- I think I was exploring a little bit.
Oh, the creek.
That's how I'm not gonna go. It was literally 10 feet long. And then I put the shoes on it. The eagle's nest type thing.
Yeah, a lot over there.
So maybe we saw the chickens, we can go down. If you wanna go.
You guys, it is pouring outside. Oh my god. We're at the store. And we're gonna walk back to our campsite. But it's pouring and it's windy. Oh my god. Ooh, this is oh my god. It's crazy. Okay, it's like a storm.
There you go.
Woohoo. Okay. Extra poncho protection. Let's see how long these are.
I'm so mad.
Looking for your rain boots.
Alright.
Yo. If I tell my parents, yeah, no, they'll be ready. Like, you don't gotta go inside. We got it last night. What the heck? Okay. Okay. It does.
We're fashionable.
A few moments later.
Crazy.
My girl, Mother Nature said, what? You're gonna have camping?
My socks are
I'm going swimming.
soaked. Right. Put it on the hot spot. Yay.
Much later.
Oh my god, it's finally sizzling. Now we're finally getting brown. Whew. I got to get it right on the fire. And apparently there was a bear sighting somewhere in that
Your
direction.
dad told me to make you the blackest hot dog possible.
We'll see one.
You guys see the bear? Oh,
Great, and the car's gonna drive in this.
there's a bear, a black bear. I don't know if you guys see it on the camera.
Start walking down this way, okay?
Oh, it's walking that way.
He's looking at you now and licking his lips. What does that mean?
Yeah, right. That's crazy. That was a decent size.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I lost track of him. That's probably
He's
a
still
good
walking to the left. He's about to go to the,
Back and he's like right behind me.
he's about to go to the next campsite.
I was like, oh, there he is, right next to me.
What?
So English, so
So English?
I'm gonna dry out my socks.
He is told.
I got my rain boots on now with some new socks.
I don't like that.
Dry out
Oh yeah, dude. If I call
by the fire.
I'm ready.
Can you see it with the grate in the way and your top? Huh? Can you see it with the grate in the way and your top?
terrible walking.
Whew, there we go. So good.
Much later.
So, it stopped raining for the night, so that's good. But it is 56 degrees and it's supposed to go down to like 48. I spoke too soon. It just started some rain. Or maybe that's just from the trees. But yeah, so it's gonna be pretty cold. I got the hot hands just in case to stick on me to keep me warm if needed tonight. So yeah. It's pretty cold. I'm gonna try the fish curry. So the fish should be in here.
Oh yeah, I can sizzle. Damn it, you should get it every time.
Alright. Get some water to do my boil in a bag rice. Maybe put this on that side of the flame.
We got room all this. I put this here so we could like have more space here. I'm about to put another log right under here so there's fire here too.
Okay, nice.
I have a
See if I can find one.
I'm gonna give you two to do.
yeah, the brown one.
Oh yeah.
And then give me
Now we're balling.
the bear.
The bear.
I'm gonna tell the brown
Oh,
one.
wait, let me get a-
You wanna like push it in there?
I'm gonna put a little ball on top. I'm gonna put your initials on it. And then
I put a ball on.
and then I'm gonna give it a headlamp. My headlamp. You want me to put it?
Alright, so we added the curry sauce to the to the fish.
I put all these into the
And the smoke's in my eyeball.
she's gonna be in there.
Alright, so we're just gonna warm it up.
Pink
Put the
food for
chicken
you.
on top of there too, or just the steak?
Oh, I'm gonna get to the chicken.
Very good. A little spicy.
Woo! Oh, look,
Oh,
it
it
came out
looks like it's
orange.
changing colors. I
That's
see a
so
little
cool.
blue.
There's like a little bill.
Yeah, I see purple. I see purple over there.
Yeah, I see a little purple.
That's that.
Oh, there's like purple by the
Those in there.
coals.
All right, here you go.
You're acting?
Cheers.
Alright, you guys, so I'm getting ready to go to bed.
Is that a whole piece right here?
I have 2 shirts on, 2 long sleeve shirts on. And I just have my leggings on, but I have an extra pair of sweatpants just in case. Right now it's 51 degrees. And it's supposed to go down to 45 degrees. So
But I can't attach it to
it's actually not too bad. I zippered up the top of the tent so no air comes through. And then with the sleeping bag, it's pretty warm and comfortable. And then with other body heat as well, helps too. But I still do have the hot hands, so I think maybe I'll put one on. Okay. Oh, womp womp. These don't have any adhesive, so I didn't really check that. Oh well, I could still like. Alright, so it says to like kind of shake it around, right, to activate it. We're activating. I feel it getting a little warm. So it lasts 18 hours of heat. Ooh, this feels nice. I might actually open and activate one more. And then I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Good night.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's the next morning and the sun is actually out. OMG. So I just got up. I see like 3 deer. There's one there. I don't know if you can see the other 2 down there. I can't zoom any further. Oh. Okay. There he goes. Oh, it's like a whole family. I'm a little bit nervous just because they're wild animals, but deers are pretty, they don't really do anything crazy usually. You just kind of mind your business. And they mind theirs. But anyways, so yes, last night, when it got to the most cold part of the night, I'm watching the deer just to make sure they're looking at me like, what is she doing? But anyways, when it got to like the most cold part of the night, you basically just had to like stay still, you know? Like, just don't move. Be still in the sleeping bag. I had to put my face in the sleeping bag too to keep that warm. And then the hot hands got like really hot. I had them over my feet, like over my toes, and they started like almost feeling like a burning sensation. So I had to take them off because they got overly hot. I guess the longer they're activated, the hotter they get over the 18 hours. So I took those off. But then I just kept one near me just in case I could put like on my upper back or wherever I needed it. Yeah, so anytime you try to move or like roll over, you'll feel like a gust of cold air. And it was just like, when it was at the most cold part of the night, I just stood still, try not to move. But then once the sun started to come up and it started to get closer to daytime, it was a little bit more comfortable to kind of move and switch positions a little bit more. It started to warm up at that point. So, but yeah, we made it with my double layer. Yeah, just so happy to see the flippin' sun out today. Excited about that. And then we're gonna make breakfast and all that. But the tent did stay very dry with the rain yesterday. The only thing is when you open up the front of the tent to get in and out, that flap just kind of flaps, and there's sometimes water on that flap. On the door of the tent, the water gets on it, so when you open it, unzip it, some water kind of just falls in a little bit. So I wish it had like a awning that came out a little further to kind of cover that door from getting too wet, so when you go in and out, the water doesn't like seep as you open the door of the tent. I heard some sticks. Yeah, so that would have helped, but in terms of like the rain fly that comes with the tent, it worked well. The tent is not wet, there's no puddles. But then again, we also do have this tarp, so that probably helped too. And we're on rocky ground, so that probably helps too. Maybe, you know, but yeah, we were dry, so most importantly. But anyways, let's get some breakfast. I want to show you guys the tent. Inside the tent. Oh, I think they're chopping wood. Alright, so we have the first layer, which is the air mattress. This is pretty much all the way to the end, and not all the way to this end. There is space here, and this is where we put like all of our stuff. Like I had my purse there. He had his boots there. I had my boots on this side. There's about a couple inches here. And then I have like my tripod. I have the hot hands here. We have the first aid kit. This lantern. There's a couple things on the edges. And then we have these pockets here. So you can just put like whatever stuff you have. You can just put it in the pockets. It's just my camera thing. I had my little charger. This is another one on the other side. So this has a lot of stuff in it. Headlamp, flashlight, everything. And hand sanitizer, so you can do that. So yeah, the most storage that we have, like I said, is just at the top of the bed and along the side. So we were able to make it work with that little bit of storage. We were able to tuck our boots in there and everything. But of course, it'll probably be better in our opinion just to get like a little bit of a bigger tent to give a little bit more space, so we don't have to try to like tuck everything and all that. And we can like have more items actually in the tent, especially for situations where it's raining. So yeah, this is like, it says it's a 3-person tent, but it's basically a 2 adult tent size. But yeah, I think a little bit bigger one, so we can have a little area where we have space just to put things, you know. So yeah, I think next time that'll be what we'll do. But this is nice just for sleeping. Basically, you just come in here. I mean, you can sit up obviously, as I am right now, and just relax on the blow-up bed. on a blow-up mattress, but yeah, a little more space would be even better. Improvement. The sleeping bag is a 2-person sleeping bag, so it can zip up from both sides. So he'll have this side where he can zip up, and then on my side I have my own separate zip up so I can get in on my side. These are the pillows that came with the sleeping bag, this one and this one. So I just use this as like a knee pillow, like to put in between like my knees when I sleep sideways. And then these pillows we got off Amazon. We just blew them up, and these were actually just the ones that we pretty much used to sleep. And they did what they had to do. Honestly, they did. Then we have this here. You can open on this side, and then you also have it on this side. So if you just want to let in some air, or if you just want to be nosy. And then this is the other side. So that's like towards the back of the camp. That's the trail that you can drive in. Yeah. So we'll catch y'all when we're making our breakfast, and then we'll take you guys along for our hike as well. So.
There's only 5 in there?
No, yep.
You got the yellow one, right?
Where's the...
I don't know where it is now.
Alright, you guys, so we're at this hike park. And we're about to go on this hiking trail.
The sun has all colors in it. White is made out of the only colors is green, what's a
You can go and see the creek here. Ooh.
That would have been a good
Yeah.
look, Aiden, come here.
It falls down into a
Look on this side.
pool.
See how it comes down? And then you see it back there and then
We hit a crossroad. So there's 2 trails. The Northington Forest goes down that way, which looks like a lot of hills. And then there's this one. The Dunhead, what's it called? Oh, Dunfield? What was I reading?
Trail.
Okay. And that
This one
goes
goes
down
down
this
and then
way.
back up.
Okay, I actually have a.
Alright, we've chosen Dunfield Path.
You see the water falling from the top? Come on this side. Ooh, that's a slippery.
Wait, why is that pink?
Okay, great. So hold on to it for a second.
This one thing is open too.
Oh, then give that to Aiden. That was Aiden's. Put it on this side. This way has stairs. That was wheelchair accessible right there.
Wheelchair accessible.
Imagine so. That way. No, you got it that way.
Yay!
And that's a rock.
What a rock.
And look at that grass. Grass.
Don't confuse that with grass, please. They actually are insulted by that.
Okay, grass.
No, okay.
We found another deer on our trail. Well, this is our first deer we found on the trail. I saw a deer earlier in the campsite. But look, he's eating some. We've been hiking for 3 days. And we're almost at the top. The deer's like, can I help you? He's trying to eat in peace. And we're all up in his bit. You see? Oh, whoa, look at this. Okay. Look at all these rocks. It's ridiculous. I see some people. This better be extra scenic. Okay? This better be the most scenic view ever. That's pretty nice.
That's exactly why I stopped. I don't want to see you tumbling down this hill.
Oh, look at everybody. Whoa. We're on top of the world. Oh. Proof that I'm on top of the world. Wait, can you see it?
No, not thumbs up. Peace sign. Yeah, buddy.
Alright. Now we gotta make our way down another 3 miles. Actually, I don't know how long that trail was, but it was long enough. Anyways, oh, let me not roll down the mountain. We found more scenery on our way down. Look at that.
You're gonna do me a favor? Oh, take a picture? Yeah, you got it. Thank you. No problem. One.
Look at this crazy trail. We just went down all these rocks. And we still have more to go. Oh my god.
Why? Look at that.
Look what we just went down. We just descended all these rocks. Oh my god. This is... Ooh. This is the easy part.
1 hour later.
Oh, we finally made it. Oh my god. That height is horrible. Alright guys, so I'm back at home. Yeah, but now I'm tired. It was fun. The hike was crazy. I think we did like 3 miles in total, 1.5 miles up and then back down. But got a good workout in, so I probably won't have to work out tomorrow. But yeah, and it was a nice experience to go out camping. I definitely would do it again now that we learned more as we went along. So the more you do it, the more you learn, the more tricks you can take into your next time going in, you know. and more tools that you didn't know you need. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.